Good morning, dear students. Let us start with our Unit 1 new poem, that is on page number 10. The name of the poem is Children Are Going to School 1.4. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning deep in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for the children are going to school. Through the green-topped branches, breezing sing their songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy road with their melodious at the corner of the lane. The people in his lush deep foliage waves his hands, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam. At this hour, every participle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. Translated from बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं by Nida Fazli. Now I have read the poem. First, let me tell you the summary of this poem. So here the poetess, she is highlighting the reaction of different elements of natures at the sight of children going to school, and it is translated from a Hindi poem. The name of that Hindi poem is बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं, and it is translated, actually it is written by Nida Fazli. Now I'll give you a short summary about the poem. Here in this beautiful poem, children are going to school. The poetess talks about how natural elements like the sky, sun, breezes, fragrant flowers, people tree, every participle of the earth and the pigeon, etc. are happy at the sight of children going to school. They are expressing their happiness in different ways as the children find their way to school. So let us start with the explanation of the poem with first stanza. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. Now here, the poetess is telling that the morning light is spread over the earth as the sun has been rose. Everywhere the morning light is spread. The sky is once again bowing his head in respect. Why? Because children are going to school. Let us see the second stanza. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Now, as you know, evening the sun sets. So what it is said? The sun, after his morning dip in the river. So the sun, after his morning dip in the river, it is dressed up in a golden muslin turban. Now what do you mean by muslin? Muslin is a kind of a soft cotton fabric. Okay, it is a kind of a cotton fabric. Okay, so what the sun is, after his morning dip in the river, as you know, when the sun rises, it comes from where? When we see sunset, we see that it is going in the sea or in the, so it is coming out of the sea, and it is dressed up in a golden muslin turban. When the sun rises, at that time you can see that the sun is full orange. Okay, so the orange color is compared to what? Golden muslin turban. Muslin means it is a kind of a cloth, cotton fabric. Okay, so waits and smiles on the side of the road. The sun has been raised and it is waiting on the side of the road. For whom? For welcoming the children going to the school. Okay, let us see the third stanza. Through the green-topped branches, breezes sings their songs of blessing. Fragrant flower awaken the sleepy road with their melodious. Now, as the children are going to school, through the green-topped branches, the big trees are there, and their branches are spread all over the road. So, breeze sings their songs of blessing. Breezes means wind. So they are what? They are singing the light wind. That they are singing what? They are singing the songs of blessing. Okay. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy road. Fragrant flowers. Fragrant means what? Having a pleasant smell. Okay. Having a pleasant smell. They are awakened with their smell. They are awakening. They are making the road to get up with their melodious. Melodious means tunes and songs. Okay, with their melodious tunes and songs. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hand, for children are going to the school. Now what it is said in the fifth stanza, that at the corner of the lane. At the corner of the lane means at the very corner of the lane. Lane means you know, गली बोलते हैं जिसको. ओके, सो एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द लेन द पीपल इन हिज लश डीप फॉलेज. द पीपल you know, people tree. Okay, that people tree with his lush deep foliage. Now what do you mean by lush deep foliage? That is, lush means covered with healthy grass and plants. Okay, lush means covered with healthy grass and plants. So people with this lush deep foliage. Foliage means greenery, leaves and branches of a plant. Foliage means greenery, leaves and branch of a plant. Waves his hand. He is waving the hand. He is saying goodbye to whom? The children who are going to school. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Now angels of light have set out. Now what do you mean by angels of light? See, the angels of the light have made every road shine brightly. The angels of light had made what? Every road shine brightly. So angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam. Is a gleam means shining bright. Is a gleam means shining bright. At this hour. At this hour means when the children are going to the school. Every participle of the earth throbs like a mother heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeon in the sky, for children are going to the school. Now what it is telling, the poetess is telling that every participle of the earth, all the things on the earth, their hearts are throbbing like whom? Mother's heart. They are, the heart is throbbing. Throbbing means beats with a strong and regular rhythm. Okay, so when the child is going to the school, at that time mother's heart is throbbing. Same way all the creatures, all the participle, all the things on the earth, their also hearts are throbbing like what? Mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeon in the sky. Now time is sitting on an old roof. Time is sitting where? On the old roof, making the pigeons fly in the air. And the time is making the pigeons fly in the sky. Why? Because children are going to the school. So it is a very beautiful poem written by Nida Faisal, and in this happy poem nature is shown to be pleased that children are going to school. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.